Hi, are you ready to take charge of your brand? We'd like to introduce you to an amazing new system that applies your unique branding to your listing photos in just a few easy steps. Why would you want to do this? Put simply, you deserve credit for your listings. You can now easily apply your company logo and personal contact information to your listing photos in 4 easy steps. Once complete, you can upload your branded photos to your local MLS, company website, or third-party portals. On the next live, completely free Agent Mastermind class on Tuesday, March 24th, we'll show you how to take your yard sign online. This awesome system is brought to you by BreakthroughBroker.com and was founded by 2 practicing Colorado realtors, Nathan Froelich and Eric Sachs. BreakthroughBroker.com is considered the largest free resource for agents in the world, and they are passionate about empowering agents with down-to-earth tools and information. With this new system, you can get credit for your listings regardless of which website it's displayed on, increase your opportunity for leads, which is what we all want to do, and give your company and their brand the recognition they deserve. So let's go. It's time to take your yard sale online. Get registered today right below. Oh, by the way, on our last class, we covered how you can maximize your tax structure in your real estate business. This is so important right now, especially at this time of the year. So be sure to let me know if you need the replay link. As always, I'm dedicated to your success, and I'll see you on the web.